love.
Alright, so we brought this thing in, we cleaned outside a little bit. But right now what we're about to do is jack up the car from this because the car is so low. We need to use a stock jack, which is small, and then after we're gonna use that big jack over there. Sorry, my house is a mess. We're gonna use that big jack and then use these torres right here to keep it up. We're gonna pick up both sides, put on, like, put stuff in the back so it won't roll back, like brakes or something, whatever. It's so low, this car, that you can't fit that shit in there. You see? Boom. And that's max. Let me see. Roll it back real quick. Never mind, it fits. What the fuck? It fits, guys. Well, but I'm gonna show you guys what's wrong. Look.
No, it's not gonna fit down there though.
It doesn't fit?
Nope.
Damn. But look, guys. Right here, as y'all can see, there's only one bolt, guys. And the 3 bolts came out. This came out when I was washing the car. Thank God I wasn't on the road or anything to where this thing could have fell off. So right now we're gonna use that little small jack. He's gonna do it. We're gonna find all these pieces. My cousin, the one that had before, the one that passed away, I don't think he knew that these bolts were that short. It's holding on by like 3 little threads. I'm gonna show you right quick. This black one, these black ones are for the back, for the rims. These 2 white ones are for the fronts. But as y'all can see, we have to remove one. Where's it at? Right there. No, wait, right there. On the bottom, we had to remove one because we had to put them in, because if not, the tire's gonna fall off. As you can tell, look how short they are. Let me show you real quick. There he goes, he's picking it up. Hold on, let me help him real quick, guys, then I'll show you. Roll the tire right quick, bro. Oh no, yeah, you got it. Can you do it right now?
Yeah, you gotta keep going. So we can't put them right here.
No, that shit's gonna break.
Yeah.
Try now?
No.
A little more.
Hell no. More. One more like a fool.
Come on.
Yeah, one. Right there.
Tell me when to drop it a little bit. Hold on, I'm gonna drop it. Be careful, bro.
Drop it.
Oh, here it is.
Yeah, there it is.
Alright, let's leave this in just for security reasons, just because that's how you do it. Look, it looks like a monster, guys. Look. We put those torres under the subframe, so we wouldn't fall in this as well. For extra support, but look what we're trying to do with the jack. Alright, ready? Oh, well, right now it feels tight, but as you can see, 1, 2, 3 are out. Alright, so we brought the impact.
That big boy gun.
Does it fit? Does it fit? Does it fit? Nope.
I'm gonna take this one off. Holy cow.
Oh, hold on.
So, we took off the wheel right now.
This is the spacer, guys, right here.
That's the one that's making everything go bad.
If y'all don't know about this, guys, this right here, this circular thing has to go around this thing as close as possible so it won't rattle and so the bolts won't come off. And as you can tell, these are good threads right here. As you can see, this is a mount, but I don't think it was up to here, like right here. There's a little bit right here, these little 3 right here. And it was onto this works on the new tires, the ones over there. But as you can see, we're gonna have to buy new ones. We're gonna have to buy new ones from the front right as well and the front left right here. No, the front right. I mean the back right. So we're gonna replace all those, and I think, yeah, we got enough. We got enough brake juice to around our brake. So right now we're about to buy them. We're not gonna buy them today because I don't got them yet. So right now we're just gonna check all the things. But as you can see, the coilovers are here. Here inside here. I got a cover around them, but as you can tell, they're right there. But I can't show them. But the back are open as well. So on the back you can see. But guys, look at the bottom. Let me see how I just show them. The other thing I'm gonna have to replace is this belt, this power steering belt. Right, as you can see, bro, look at the power steering belt. That's what the power steering belt works, bro. This is the power steering belt, guys. This is the power steering right here, and it was not connected, as you can tell. Let me get my phone out to have more light, right quick. And while we're riding it around the street, this thing was shaking so much. Hold on, let's see if it's still in there. No, yeah, the thing ripped out. Here's the socket, though. Damn. Here's a socket, though, where you put the light at, and then the thing that goes right here. which is tough. But as you can see, hold on, let me get the lighter quick. That's the power steering is not connected. I'm gonna replace all the belts in this thing. The horn, which is like right there, just like chilling right there. But yeah, I changed the oil already. I just need a new. I'm actually replace the front. The front brakes are good, I think. Yeah, let me check. Yeah, as I can tell, they're still good. You can't see the back. I don't know why. All right, but yeah, the rotors are great. So everything is fixed by my cousin, but the damn tire hubs, which is annoying because they're so. These things are pretty expensive. They're not that expensive. They're like, I think 4 of them. They're like, I'm not really sure, like 80 bucks maybe. For like 2 of them, they're like 80 bucks. Or one of them, I don't know, 50 or 80 bucks. I forgot for one of them. But DSX, the spacers, but they, as you can see, they're messed up all the way. Which he did know, but the tire that he put it on, I didn't know that these had spacers on, so I was driving it with the wrong tire on, which messed it up. So I just found out that it's just my fault. Buy one of these. We're gonna check all 4 to see if this is the only one like this, or if it's, you know, because I remember I replaced the front right tire, the other tire up there, but that one of the bolts fell off again, which is annoying. Let me show you real quick. As I can tell, one of them got off again when I was trying to tie them up, so that's annoying. I'm about to figure what that is. It looks like a monster right now. It's weird. It's pretty cool. My dad's our one had to move it because we're fixing my baby. But in the future, guys, I'm gonna get tinted windows painted again. Of course, that's the biggest thing. Maybe do an engine swap. That's when I get bigger, though. I need to get money for that. But yeah, right now we're finna see if we can fix it and do something about it. And yeah, guys, that's just trash either way, bro. Yeah, but just
That shit's not insane or that one.
nope. Yeah, guys, that thing is just the only reason it's making that noise. It looks like it's tensed up is because the weight is on it. But we're gonna leave it here until I buy the new hubs, the inner hubs, not the spacers, the hubs, all the way in. And then after that, we're gonna install them with Andrew. See if he's gonna be here when I install that shit. But after that, it's pretty much ready to drive after those hubs are good. This is that tire that got effed up. But yeah, guys, we'll see you on the next video or in the next day, whatever else we do. We might just go do something right now, but we got no car. We literally got out early because I got sick, so he came with me. So yeah, guys, we're gonna see y'all in the next video. So we have a change of plans. Today we're not gonna fix my car, which is outside. It's been there for like 3 days already since the last time I recorded the video. But we actually got something special that was not really supposed to come in. We never planned this out, which y'all could tell because I wasn't planning on recording this, but we got ourselves a Grom. On that one, I don't think it's gone well, but we got a 2015 Honda Grom, which is not ours yet. It's about to be ours, and like, well, we'll see if it's gonna be ours. My dad really likes it. He thinks it's real cute. It's street legal, as you can tell from the plate right there, but it sits really high up. As you can see, it's really cool. It got all the buttons you want. Sorry, I was riding in the rain, but you can see it has high beams, normal beams or low beams, the horn, the blinkers left and right. This is for GoPro mount, but this is the brake fluid and stuff like that. This is the start, so you can turn on the prime. You can turn the primer on for the fuel pump, and then hold on, I got all my keys in here. I should remove them, but it's really quick. You still here. Well, you're supposed to turn it off right here. It's off, and then you turn it on. You hear the fuel pump working, and then you turn it on. It has a flat beam, as I can tell. But let's hear the engine right quick. It's a really nice engine. Yeah, let me shut it off now. Oh, and I did not show y'all the speedometer, did I? Isn't that crazy? As y'all can tell, it's not that crazy. I need to put gas in it because I was riding it all day. That's why I can see it's wet. If you rev it. This is on low beam. That's high beam right there. Not really a difference. You can barely tell. It just goes up. But yeah, guys, this thing is pretty cool. It's fast. It's pretty fast. It's like it goes about 60 max. I'm thinking like 65 max top speed. But I normally ride at like 45 or 40, which is really not that bad for. I mean, we cruise at 40 to 35 miles an hour on a normal road. On the freeway, we go like 60 to 65. But as you can see, I got all disc brakes. As you can see. Pretty cool. The shocks are nice all around. The exhaust is custom. It's not stock, which Honda, you know, if y'all don't know what stock means, which I know some people on my channel just look at me because they know me from school, but stock means like out of the factory, came like that out of the factory, like, you know. But it's fuel injected, as I can tell right there. It says fuel injection. It's a 125, but guys, it's really cool stuff. Let me just move on to me driving it. That might be the end of the video, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all want me to post more videos about this Grom or about my car, y'all just tell me. But as I can see, it's out there lonely. I just need I need the money, guys, to buy the parts. I need to buy the real standard type of hubs, which, you know, the bolts come out like that. I don't know how to explain it. I really don't know the name. I forgot. Yeah, comment down below if y'all know what I'm talking about. Yeah, guys. Hope y'all had a nice, great day. And yeah. Comment down below if y'all want to see more of this one or anything else. And yes, I'm going to have to clean it. So, yeah, guys. Peace.